Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking this video. If you're new here, please subscribe and like this video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for the love. Thank you for coming back. And I want to help you, and I want to give you hope that you can also invest with whatever income you have. So in this video, I am just sharing my investment journey, how it began. I started investing with Safaricom has always had the best return on investment ever, like in the Nairobi Stock Exchange, by a minimum shares of like 100 shares. So it means if I started, let's say 10 shillings, if today it is 40 shillings, that means that's 100 times like 10, which is like 1,000 bob, and then today's price is like 48,000 Kenya shillings. So I started when it was 28 shillings. I knew what I was doing, and I have really studied Safaricom and seen, well, this is like a company that only has like a highway bridge. Everyone has to use Safaricom if they want to use their telephone line or their internet or M-Pesa, money transfers. Even for the people abroad, they send money via M-Pesa. And you look at a company's trajectory, where it's going and which plans they have. All this information is on their page on the investor relation tabs. You can see where these companies are going. And for sure, I can tell you, I have made so much money with Safaricom. I can't even believe that I would have increased my investment then, but I didn't have all that money then to invest in Safaricom. So I started with, like, when it was at 28 Kenya shillings, that's about 28,000 Kenya shillings. I had really thought about it, but I was sure that I was making my right bet. And this is like $280, okay? Per share. At then it was 28 bob. Today as we speak, Safaricom shares is trailing at 43 shillings. That's like 43 cents in dollars, okay? So right now my shares are worth 43,000 Kenya shillings, from an increase from 28,000 Kenya shillings, $280 to 480, 430 dollars. And that rate of return is close to 53% rate of return. Like, people, there's nowhere you're going to get this kind of return, even in your bank or in your chama. There's no way you're going to get this kind of return. And the good thing about this is I don't even have to do anything. I just buy and wait. Okay, that's the beauty of an investment. You just buy and wait. So I'm not going to sell it because I've made a profit, but I'm going to keep it, and then I will show you how we keep it, and then just add more, because this company is going somewhere. Okay, the other thing you're probably wondering, how much did it cost me? So when you're buying shares, if you're buying less than 100k Kenya shillings, you are actually charged like 2.1% commission charges by the your stockbroker, or even in the CDS account. They charge you this because they also want to maintain this website, and they want to maintain all the paperwork involved. And what is 2.1% if you can get a return of 53%? That's assuming I subtract 53% minus 2.1. Guys, how much is that? I am getting more than half, more than 50% return on investment, just because I decided to invest in one of the best stocks in Africa. In fact, it's one of the best stocks in Africa. The next stock would be EABL and Centum and Longhorn Publishers, or companies that they're going to grow. Agricultural companies, the construction industry companies like Centum. I will also share my journey on how Centum has really gone, and the fact that their boss even died, the price is still going up because they build great fundamentals. And that's how I have built my investment portfolio. I started with Safaricom. I will share the things that I have, the companies that I have, in other videos also. So if you like this video, just type the like button, subscribe, and make sure you share with people, and also come back. I will share so much more on how it's so simple to invest. You won't even imagine how much money you can invest just to get a 50% return on investment. And I know this is money I can just sell my shares tomorrow. I will get it in my bank account. It is possible, it is doable. So I'm sharing with you to tell you it's possible. That's how I got my return on investment. Yes, it is possible, so don't doubt. It is 100% possible. And this journey, I am continuing with it every single day because I want to create passive income out of it. And guess what? Safaricom is also giving me dividends. How cool is that? Every single year, I'm getting an extra income. Not only have I made 50%, but I'm getting dividends every year. How exciting is that? Woo, I'm so excited. So as I told you, what you see in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. Keep chasing for your greatness. I'll see you in the next video.